Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, grade 2. Today is your English class. Today we will study about nouns. What are nouns? Words which name things, people, and places are called nouns, such as a bird or a place. Anything which we name, for example, Karachi, a bus, a glass. These all are nouns. Now let's come to question number 1. Use a or an in front of each of these nouns. As you have learned in grade 1 that before writing a word starting with the vowel, we always use an. So the example is a coconut. Coconut does not begin with the vowel. What are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we will write a coconut. Second is ant. An ant. Ant begins with a vowel, that is A. So we will write an before it. Question number 2. Complete these sentences. Think of a noun to use in each group. We have to think of a noun that can be used in each group. For example, I like my dash. Here I have written bed. You can write your teddy bear, your book, your pencil. I like my pencil. I like my cushion. Anything you like. Number 2 is there is a book on the table. You can write anything you see on the table. There is a glass on the table. There is a book on the table. After that, let's come to verbs. What are verbs? Words that tell us what people or things do are called verbs. For example, verbs are action words. The actions that people do or things do are verbs. Question number 3 is, what can different animals do? Now, there are some actions that each animal can do. For example, a dog can run or a fish can swim. So, these are action words. These are called verbs. Question number 4 is, what can I do? Over here I have written, I can draw, I can write. But we can say anything. I can swim, I can run. You just have to tell what you can do. Let's come to homophones. What are homophones? Homophones are those words which have the same pronunciation but different spellings and meanings. For example, there are some words that pronounce the same, but their spellings are different and what they mean is different. For example, the sea is very rough in March. So there is SEA and SEE. But here we will write SEA, sea is very rough in March. Number 2, we are going to see the play. Over here it's written SEAC and SEEC. Which C do you think is going to be used here? SEE. We are going to see the play. See, both words pronounce the same, but they have different meanings and different spelling. These are called homophones. Question number 5. Underline all the nouns. I have told you before that noun is name of a place, animal or thing. So in sentence number 1, this is my new pen. Pen is a noun. Number 2, where is the library? In this sentence, library is a place. So this is a noun. Question number 6. Underline the verbs in each sentence. You have to underline the action words in each sentence. The bird goes with him to the shop. Goes is an action word, so we will underline it because it is a verb. What is number 2? It talks to him. Talks is an action, right? Talking is an action. So talks will be the verb and we will underline it. Now, put in capital letters and question marks where needed. To complete these sentences, we have to write capital letters and question mark and make it into a proper sentence. For example, number 1 is are wear shoes my. This is not a proper sentence. So we have to rearrange these words and make a sentence or a question. For example, where are my shoes? After writing these questions, we have to write a question mark. Without putting a question mark, our question can never be complete. Number 2. Old how you are. This is not a complete sentence or a correct sentence. We have to rearrange this and write how old are you? Question mark. In this way, these will be complete sentences. Question number 7. Is the underlined word a noun or a verb? There is a sentence given and an underlined word. So, you have to, in these sentences, we have to tell whether the underlined word is a verb or a noun. Number 1. I like my teacher. Is this a verb or a noun? Like is an action word, so this is a verb. Number 2. Look at the old boat. Boat is name of a thing, so this is a noun. This is your today's homework. Do question number 2, 3 and 4 of page 8 on your book. Do question number 1, 2 and 4 of page number 9 on book and question number 5 on your notebook. Do page 10 word study question 1 to 6 and writing question number 2 on your book, and do workbook page number 2, 3, 4 and 5 of workbook. Best of luck. That's all for today.